Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG Secretary Benjamin Abalos Jr. defended the recently conducted police operation to serve the arrest warrant against Pastor Quiboloy and several others. The DILG chief said there are cases pending against the religious leader and other respondents. He also explained why such number of police personnel were deployed to serve the warrant.
Si Pastor Quiboloy po ay may kaso. Ang kaso niya, ang tawag rito ay sexual abuse and other acts of child abuse. Mga bata. Dapat malaman at maunawaan ng lahat to. At siya ay may warrant of arrest dahil dito. Sa isang panayam kay Pastor Quiboloy ay sinabi niya mismo na hindi siya magpapahuli ng buhay. Alam niyo yun, it was recorded in all media. At alam naman natin ang papasukin natin. With due respect naman, sana maunawaan nilang nila ang kahalagahan rito ng safety ng mga nandun. Ilang beses siya pinaalalahanan sa mga pulis